Hello, grade 4 learners. My name is Teacher L and welcome to our science class quarter 1 week 1. And today we will learn about some famous Filipino and foreign scientists and their inventions. Our lesson is based on this competency. Use information from secondary sources to identify a famous Filipino and or foreign scientist and their invention or inventions. By the end of our lesson, you are expected to describe the inventions of famous Filipino and or foreign scientists, identify their inventions, and character traits to follow. Let's begin by unlocking a key vocabulary word. The word is invention. What is your own definition of this word? According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, an invention is something that has been created, especially a device or process, through the use of the imagination and experimentation. It can also refer to the act of creating something new or the product of one's imagination. Nowadays, people use sophisticated materials to make work easier and faster. Materials we use at home, in school, and in the local community are invented and created by scientists. Now, let's get to know some great inventors and their inventions. Gregorio Y. Zara. One of Zara's biggest inventions was the video phone. It has been used in many devices. Now, it is used in cell phones, video meetings, and on other internet sites. It is also used in phones for people who cannot hear. How are video phones different from normal phones? Normal phones only send and receive sound, but video phones send videos, sounds, and images. Video phones also have a screen and a keyboard to type messages. How are video phones useful? Video phones today are useful because they make communication between people easier. Now that internet speed is faster, it is easier to send videos. For example, in video meetings, you can now see and hear the other person talking and moving. It is like they are in the same room with you. Agapito Flores. He is the inventor of fluorescent lamp, which is used at home, schools, and offices. Agapito Flores' contribution helped bring about a lighting technology that is bright, affordable, energy-saving, and practical, benefiting people in everyday life. Narciso Mosuela, a farmer who invented the super kalan which is used for cooking. Super kalan is designed to use less firewood or charcoal, which helps Filipino families cook safely, save money, and protect the environment, making it a smart and practical invention. Fe Primitiva del Mundo y Villanueva, she was a Filipino pediatrician who invented the bamboo incubator. The bamboo incubator is important because it saves premature babies in remote areas. It is affordable, made from bamboo and native materials, and uses hot water bottles to keep babies warm even without electricity. Lawrence Llewellyn, a Boston lawyer and public health advocate, discovered the Health Cup, a one-disposable paper cup in 1907, to provide a clean alternative to shared public drinking cups. The purpose was to reduce the spread of germs by eliminating the need for communal cups. His invention laid the groundwork for today's disposable cups used in offices, restaurants, and events worldwide. Now, let's deepen our understanding by reading a short poem about inventors from around the world. As we go through the poem, listen carefully and try to remember the inventors and their inventions. Are you ready? Okay. In every land, both far and near, inventors made things we hold dear. Thomas Edison gave us the light bulb's glow to chase the dark and make rooms glow. The Wright brothers built the first airplane so we could fly through sun and rain. Henry Ford made the Model T car to help us travel near and far. John Baird made the television screen so shows and news could now be seen. Carl Benz invented the automobile with engines, wheels, and driving feel. Robert Fulton made a steamboat ride to sail up rivers with steam as guide. Each invention, big or small, came from a mind that dreamed it all. Okay, class, after learning some of the inventors and their inventions, what character traits can we learn from inventors? Okay, so today we learned some inventors who use their creativity, patience, and love for learning to solve problems and help others. Thank you for being curious and engaged today. See you next time, young scientists.